Hello and welcome to Mr. Ridley's Design and Technology. We're going to have a look in this clip at this Firefly solar bulb solar light. So this is another solar powered garden light. With these clips, if you're doing a project disassembly or you're doing looking at existing products for garden lights, you can screenshot these. So just stop the clip, screenshot them and use these in your GCSE NEA. So it just helps if you're doing the product analysis on these. So this is kind of quite novel. We just take this label off. The label on the back there says has a IP44. IP44 is the waterproof rating, so that is splash proof. It has a CE marking and the WE. The WE means relates to the disposal of the part. It has the cost of this, I think, was a couple of pounds, £1.99. You might even get them cheaper. You might even find lights like this in a pound shop. But it's quite good value. So it's got a little crocodile clip here to hang the thing up, and then just a bent piece of what looks like stainless steel wire. Those two components just come off, and we've got a small photovoltaic in there, and then this light bulb shape. Obviously it's kind of quite novel. The target market of this might be a younger people who, you know, the kind of, it's quite a fun thing. Now this is, I don't know if this would be blow molded or injection molded. It does have a mold line around here. It seems to be maybe polypropylene. I could be wrong. I think with that mark there would be, I'll go for blow molded on that. I think it's blow molded like a bottle. I can't see how you'd injection mold that and get things in. So we'll say that's blow molded polypropylene. Then you've got this lighting. This lighting is, if we turn it on, and we can see there we've got some, I think these are Cobb LEDs. They're really tiny little LEDs, which is chip on board, so they're tiny onto a chip, and they're just onto some really fine copper filament wire. So obviously you could, again, for repurposing this for a school project would be great, because you can see there you can just sort of flex this wire about and change it into something else. It works like all of them work now. They don't have a separate photo sensor. They just detect the voltage on the photovoltaic. There's two small screws here, two small posi drive screws, which hold that off. The waterproof rating for this is, say, IP44 is splash proof. I think I did say that, but I'll take these. I'm not sure how this comes out here. Take these screws out of here. This top part here, it comes apart. Now, this is, these two parts are injection molded, and then I think they've actually been, to get the metal effect, they are plated. I think they're maybe chrome plated or some kind of plating process on them. I'd have to check up on how that actually works, the plating process on plastic, but it is plated because you can see it's got a sort of chrome metal effect to make it look like a light bulb. You can see there's some hot glue. If you can see inside there, the hot glue just stops any failure by the wires snapping off by them moving about during assembly. And then there's a little PCB here and a tiny little, I think, lithium cell there, button cell. I can't quite see, perhaps you can see there, it's just spot welded, a little tabs onto this button cell. Oh, it might not even be. I'm trying to see if it's actually spot welded. It just pushes in there. I think it's spot welded, so it's a little button cell with two tabs spot welded onto it, which then solder onto the circuit board. And the circuit board's just held onto there. There's a little on-off switch there. A little circuit board there with the chip almost like a generic chip there that does the same thing. So that's our light bulb solar light. As I say, use any of the clips from this for your NEA coursework and the product disassembly. So there's product disassembly of a light bulb solar garden light. Thank you for watching Mr. Ridley's Design and Technology.